All right. 5A. Lou is running in a race. The race is 2,439 meters long. After 20 minutes, Lou had run 956 meters. How many meters, M, does Lou still have to run? These problems aren't very different from the ones that we've seen before in the past. The one big difference that these problems have that other problems we've done in the past might not have is they try to use a letter to confuse us. But really, it doesn't make the problem any different. This is still a word problem. So I'm still going to start it the same way. I'm going to find question mark. I'm going to go backwards from the question mark and find my question word. Yes, Jaylene.
What are we doing? What are we doing again?
Problem solving. 5A.
Oh, sorry, because my computer died.
So I have my question mark. Found my question word. How many meters, M, does Lou still have to run? Tells me exactly what I'm looking for. How many meters? And then look at that letter, M. Why do you think they chose the letter M? They had a reason for it. Why do you think they chose the letter M? Why not B or A? Jada, why do you think they chose M? Because they could have used A or B. Those are the first letters of the alphabet. But they went with M, which is in the middle of it. Why start there? Very good. Stands for meters. They're looking for how many meters does Lou still have left. So Lou's already started on this race. We need to figure out how many meters are left.
Mister,
Yes, ma'am.
I can't find my problem solving packet.
It's with the rest of our math paper. So check that packet. Look for it very carefully.
Okay.
Okay. So let's look at our information. Lou is running in a race, right? The race is 2,439 meters long. Okay, so that's how long the race is. And it does say meters. That seems kind of important to me. After 20 minutes, so the race has started, Lou's running. After 20 minutes, Lou had run 956 meters. So that's how long Lou has already run. They want to know what is left. Well, let's see if we can do that. Here's the race. Whole race. Pretty long race. It's 2,439. But Lou already started. So this is the start line. Lou's already running. Lou already ran 956 meters. They want to know, well, what's left? How could I figure out what's left? What operation would help me? If I want to take away the part that Lou has already run, find out whatever is left over, what could I do? Alexa?
Subtract.
I can subtract it. All I have to do is take away how much Lou has already run. So let's do that. Now with subtraction, I have to make sure the big number comes first. 2,439 minus 956. Right? What is 9 minus 6? If I had 9, I gave away 6. I took away 6. What would be left? Bella, what would I get? 9 minus 6.
Three.
Perfect. 9 minus 6 is 3. What is 3 minus 5? Christopher.
2.
So if I have 3, Christopher, can I take away 5?
No, I was thinking about 5 minus 3
We can't flip them
is
around. Not in subtraction.
0.
No, not 0. Not 0.
I forgot.
Who can help Christopher out? Kylie?
You can't do 3 minus 5, so you gotta borrow from the next group.
I have to borrow. So remember, Christopher, if the bigger number is on the bottom in subtraction, I'm gonna need to borrow. Since 5 is bigger than 3, I'm trying to take away too much, I need to borrow some. So if I borrow from my 4, it's gonna turn into a 3, and my 3 will turn into a 13. 13 minus 5 is something I can do. Kylie, what would I have? 13 minus 5.
8.
8. Okay. 3 minus 9. What's 3 minus 9? Kylie, what's 3 minus 9?
You can't do that, so you have to borrow from the next group.
Can't do that either. Gotta borrow again. My 2 turns into a 1. And my 3 turns into a 13. What's 13 minus 9?
Four.
4. And 1 minus 0. What's 1 minus 0? Jada? 1. So how much of that race does Lou still have to run? 1,483 meters. And again, we have the letter M because M stands for... Okay, go ahead and put your math packet away.